One favorable position internet advertising offers is individuals who don't have any cash can even now gain cash. Since there are numerous approaches to this, not every person knows about what they can do. How about we quickly turn out how to profit online without cash if your ledger is unfilled? 1. Become an associate advertiser. This is allowed to do and gives you numerous choices. You will speak to a member vendor who will pay you to perform explicit activities. You can get paid by the snap, by the lead, by the deal, or for selecting offshoots in two-level projects. The member dealer will give you a site to advance that is coded with your subsidiary number. You procure a commission each time that particular activity is performed. There are moment commission offshoot programs accessible today. Other subsidiary dealers will pay you dependent on their own pay plan and calendar. 2. Join Get Paid to programs. There are a lot of these on the internet you can join for nothing. You can get paid to take paid reviews, do information passage, type at home, etc. There are even sites that will pay you to understand messages. You won't get rich doing these sorts of projects, yet it doesn't cost anything to begin and you can do it comfortable all alone PC. 3. Start a blog and adapt it with Google AdSense. In case you're willing to learn specialty offshoot advertising, there are a lot of online journals you can begin for nothing, or for as low as $10 every month in the event that you need to do your very own facilitating. AdSense is the biggest PPC offshoot program on the planet. You gain cash at whatever point someone taps on a promotion that you have on your site. 4. Join ClickBank and sell computerized data items. The different distributors have digital books you can sell. You will have a member URL to advertise on the web, and when someone purchases an item from your site you acquire cash. There are many repeating salary items accessible that you can sell also. These give remaining salary and back-end pay if your client buys more items later on. These are 4 thoughts on the most proficient method to profit online without cash in your financial balance. On the off chance that you have a smidgen of cash, you can join system showcasing organizations and begin for under $100. You can likewise sell private mark rights items and exchange right items, and this doesn't take a lot of cash to do either. Click the link in the description for more information.